Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a flow chart in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Open. Then open your project or new blank spreadsheet. Type your data. I already copied to this data. Press Ctrl V. Okay. Then select full data. Go to Insert tab. Chart. And again, find organizational chart. Simply click here and resize your chart. See this, again double click, tooltip, switch rows or columns, use row 1 as headers. Int review, process data, collect data, start. Change color, customize. Select color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.